When it comes to performance, Lexus goes beyond expectations. The DIRECT4 all-wheel drive system is another example of this commitment. This core Lexus Electrified technology is engineered to deliver an elevated driving experience, perfectly aligning with the driver's intentions. Exclusive to select Lexus battery electric and hybrid electric vehicles, DIRECT4 was developed in accordance with the Lexus Driving Signature, which is a unique standard that aims to provide drivers with a natural driving feeling, a sense of unity with their vehicle, and true comfort that comes from confidence with the right balance of excitement and predictability. At the heart of the DIRECT4 all-wheel drive system is the innovative e-axle. It fully integrates a powerful electric motor, transaxle, and inverter into a single compact unit. DIRECT4 uses power from the e-axle to adjust torque and braking between all four wheels. This allows for smooth transitions between acceleration, deceleration, and cornering. Lexus self-charging and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles equipped with DIRECT4 feature a rear e-axle, while battery electric vehicles benefit from both a front and rear e-axle. When accelerating, DIRECT4 distributes drive force accordingly to each wheel, reducing pitch and stabilizing vehicle posture for a smoother, more comfortable driving experience. As the vehicle decelerates, brake force is independently controlled between the front and rear wheels. DIRECT4 relays braking feel to the driver by initially pitching the vehicle forward, then optimally distributes the braking force, ensuring confidence during every stop. During cornering, torque is mostly directed to the front wheels initially, then distributed to the rear as needed for more precise, responsive handling. And in tight turns, braking is applied to the inside wheels to help the driver follow the desired path with ease. With DIRECT4, every aspect of the drive is enhanced. Traction is optimized for better grip on slippery surfaces. Stability is improved, providing better handling and cornering even on dry roads. And power is balanced with efficiency, ensuring optimal driving performance. For more information on DIRECT4, please consult your vehicle's owner's manual. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.